taken, still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me what.
So when I do my TJ's grocery runs, I typically share what's new, and here are a couple of items. I'm trying to be really healthy and mindful of what I'm eating. So my groceries are just pretty basic, the same things you guys see when I share my grocery hauls, but these are a few new items, new to me. So I picked up this pack of Argentinian red shrimp. This looked really good to me, and I was craving shrimp tacos for some reason, which is very rare. So I got that. I got these ready-made veggies that you can throw into a stir-fry, microwave, or put it like on a one-sheet pan. And then I randomly saw these overnight oats. I got peanut butter, the vanilla flavor, and then strawberry. You know, I'm easing my way into like this eating, like better way of eating and being like more mindful of what I'm putting into my body. So, you know, I'm not doing anything harsh or drastic. And then some non-food items. I was out of some sunscreen, so I wanted to try this. This is their daily facial sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 40. It's oil-free. It's a gel formula, which is really good for like oily, acne-prone skin. Fragrance-free, water and sweat resistance. So I thought this would be really good when I start going out on my walks and my long runs again, like on the weekends. Now that we're hitting the summer, temperatures, you know, getting hot, it's getting up there. So we got that. And then I also picked this up. I can use this as well, but I primarily picked this up for the boy. When he goes out on his long bike rides, he is just not protecting his skin, and it drives me crazy. I'm like, dude, what are you doing? Like, you really had to protect your skin. He hates applying lotion on his hands because then it makes it really difficult for him to have any type of grip on the handlebars of his bike, which I totally understand, but I figured that this would be a good option for him. Easy, he could spray it on all over his arms, his neck. He can also use this for his face if he wanted to, but like in any area that's exposed, like he needs to take care of that. So
She's not a celebrity, but she's taken, still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. But if we met somewhere else, would things be different? Or am I wasting my time overanalyzing everything that I never said? Why can't I make up my mind? 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken, still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet
This was so hard to do. It's the first time I've been outside jogging since last summer, and it's rough. I'm sitting on a bench, catching my breath, taking a mini break before I go back. And I mean, it's beautiful out. It's hot as hell, but it's so hard. It's so hard. I gotta get my stamina up. I need to do better. I'm not obsessed with timing. It's more about like my breathing, breath control, all that stuff that I'm like really bad at, and I suck. It's just been downhill since COVID. So I decided I'm gonna cut my little break short, start walking back, and then start my jog because it's almost 11:30, and once it's noon, this park gets super crowded. And it's already kind of crowded. It might be really hard to like get around. So. Close to us.
That I'm just trying to impress you.
I think it's this way. Set up the stairs.